Hey CAD friends, in this 60-second solid tip, we're talking about selection direction. You might have noticed that when you use the select tool, sometimes you get a blue selection area and sometimes you get a green selection area. This is actually a feature in SolidWorks that lets you choose how items are selected. So if we take a look at our sketch here and using a box select, we drag from left to right, we get a blue selection. Only entities fully enclosed in the blue are going to be selected. Now if I drag from right to left, any entities touching the green are going to be included in the selection. Now this becomes really powerful when we look at the lasso select. So if I draw a clockwise circle, I get a blue, and I'm able to choose only the entities enclosed in the blue for selection. The same for counterclockwise. I get a green selection box. And here I can choose only the entities that are touching the green to be selected. So that's your 60-second solid tip for today, CAD friends. I hope you learned something. I will catch you guys in the next one.